How to remove profile picture on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open Facebook, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on your name. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on camera like button beside your profile picture. Then click on see profile picture, which is the first option. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You will find all these options pop up. Click on delete photo. Click on delete again, and then your profile picture will be removed on Facebook. As you can see, there is no profile picture. This is how to remove profile picture on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.